Hi mga karag-karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. At kasing ganda rin ang gabi ngayon mga karag-karag, ang mga latest na mga chismisan galore na pinag-uusapan ng mga active na mga chismosa at mga chismosa sa social media sa katatapos lang ng closed door interview ng ating pambatong si Chelsea Manalo. So nalate ako mga karag-karag, pero hahabol tayo para sa pangkabuhayan showcase, para sa pang-ekonomiya. Ilaban natin to mga karag-karag kasi ilang tulog na lang finale na ng Miss Universe 2024. Wala muna tayong menopausal distraction look for tonight's vlog mga karag-karag dahil busy ang dagway ni Kuragan. At ito na nga, so marami mga chismosa at mga chismoso ang nakapansin sa ibang glow ng aura ni Chelsea Manalo habang papalapit ang kompetisyon. Very queenly daw si Chelsea Manalo mga karag-karag. Nakikitaan talaga nila ng potensyal na posibleng makasungkit sa corona or makapasok tayo sa placement, hindi daw ma-elto kuyo. So ang inasahan ko lang kay Chelsea Manalo na maging second runner up mga karag-karag para kompleto na yung listahan natin sa Miss Universe. So base nga sa mga pa-interview na naglabasan sa social media na pinag-uusapan kung gaano kakalmado at kung gaano nag-enjoy si Chelsea Manalo sumagot sa mga pa-interview galore niya doon sa Mexico mga karag-karag. Nako, kung hindi nyo pa napanood, panoorin natin ng sabay-sabay. Alam ko na napanood na ito ng iba, pero nako, chismisan galore tayo, kaya watch this.
To do the closed door interview for our preliminary.
So how was the closed door interview? Ano mga tinanong sa'yo?
Sobrang exciting. Actually yung mga tinanong lang nila sa akin is more about personal questions, about who you are. They want to show they want to know your personality more than of having that crown. It's beyond the crown that they want to know who can be that next Miss Universe.
So what did you show up about your personality sa mga judge?
About who I am as a Filipina. I think it's more than enough for them to know the power that we have as Filipina women to finally win the next Miss Universe crown.
Again, happy ka sa naging performance mo sa closed door?
Sobrang happy ko dun sa closed door interview because they finally now know my personality. They know now my character, my intentions, and what my intentions are beyond the crown.
Yeah. So, did they ask you why should you be the next Miss Universe?
They didn't ask me, but I think I gave them enough, reasons why I should be the next Miss Universe.
Okay, so yung outfit mo ngayon, pwede mo i-explain sa amin na sobrang ganda, di ba?
I'm wearing a barong corset top and some pants by Jot Losa. I think this is already an homage tribute to the Filipino people. The barong is an outfit. It's a fashion that we wear for professionalism, for important days, and this is the most important day of my life.
Yes. Sino yung mga best friend mo yung lagi mong kausap? Si Miss Peru.
Yes, Tati is my roommate. She's like my ate. I've been teaching her so many Filipino words, and at the same time she's teaching me. Other than that, of course, I'm talking to other Filipina candidates as well, which is si Ate Victoria from New Zealand, Great Britain, Ate Christina, Bahrain, Shireen. Other than that, I'm also talking to Miss Pakistan, the Asian. Yes, I'm enjoying. This is the best time I've actually been having after Miss Universe Philippines. It's like going to a different whole new level, but must enjoy ka na.
And this is your first time in Mexico, so what do you think of this country?
First of all, I want to say te amo, Mexico. It is really nice here. It's been my dream to go to Mexico. It's really similar to the Filipino community, how we are so family oriented, the religion, the culture, how the festivals that they celebrate. We were able to do the Gala de las Catrinas, and that is a really beautiful festival that they have here in Mexico, and I was so honored and so thankful that I get to experience that. In the Philippines, we have so much culture as well, and the resemblance is the same.
So Chelsea, mahirap ba ang laban dito? Ano sa tingin mo?
Na-enjoy ko yung laban, and I'm seeing the stars aligning. I told them, yes, Miss Diane, in a galaxy full of stars, it does shine. Pero yung pinakamaliit na star, that is the star that will shine the most.
Wow! So anong strategy mo sa prelim?
To have a little bit more rest, to be more of myself. I think kasi kung enjoy ka lang, happy ka naman, then, magre-reflect naman yan at the finals.
Okay, well, your millions of fans in the Philippines are waiting for this interview and waiting for you to talk to them. So, please, dile, ¿qué tal? Chelsea Manalo in Mexico.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Te amo, Mexico. I am so thankful for your support sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, sa lahat, everyone in this world. Thank you for your support. I couldn't be more thankful because now I'm here in Mexico. I'm enjoying my time. A couple more days left. We are so close to finding out who will be the next Miss Universe. And if you guys could continue to support me with or without a crown, but of course, we are aiming for a crown, then I couldn't be more thankful to shout to the universe stage, Philippines!
Woo! And the crown is a Philippine brand, so
Yes.
I think bagay sa'yo.
I'm wearing actually a jewel, Marilyn.
Yes, I
I'm
know.
wearing the brand itself. So, super happy ako to finally also see the crown. We're gonna have that event pretty soon.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I know it's gonna be very, very beautiful.
Okay, well, muchas gracias.
Yan ang mga karagkarag na panood na ninyo ang pa-interview galore ni Chelsea Manalo kasama si Madam Dayan. Grabe gini si Madam Dayan mga karagkarag, no? Very fashionista galore kani siya sa Miss Universe pageant. Unsa man imo ha, Juan Inday? Sigarilyo nga.
Wala.
Juan, modern ro.
Okay.
Nga naman. Dili ka, nilayas lang kanahan. Very fashionista kaayo si Madam Dayan at dahil pa niyang din, sasabak sa Miss Universe pageant mga karagkarag. Every time na nandun si Madam Dayan bitaw sa Miss Universe pageant, nako, kinabog lahat ng mga kandidata. At dito nga sa pa-interview niya kay Chelsea Manalo, which is sobrang happy naman ako at naging lang si Chelsea. Kalmado, very relaxed lang talaga yung pambato natin at excited ako sa kanya maging laban mga karag-karag, samantalang yung iba mga kalaban niya is wala. Todo pasikat galore, lalo na si Dominican Republic. Sana mag-align yung star ni Chelsea Manalo mga karag-karag sa darating na laban sa Miss Universe 2024. Alam kong hindi madali kasi 130 countries yung maglalaban sa Corona at maging kalaban din ni Chelsea Manalo sa placement at sa Corona, but umasa ako na bigay todo ang ating pambato at excited ako sa kanyang maging preliminary gown at kanyang final gown mga karag-karag. Mag-ingay tayo sa comment section kung ano yung magiging reaction ninyo sa naging pa-interview ni Dayan kay Chelsea Manalo after the closed door interview. Sa tingin nyo mga karag-karag, pumasa kaya ang ating pambato sa mga judges sa preliminary interview? Mag-ingay tayo sa comment section at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe. Kuragan Karag, ang babaeng lagi na karag-karagan. See you in my next vlog. Unsa may mapitoy? Bye-bye. Unsa man? Tag-12.